As we delve deeper into the TypeScript world, we encounter special types designed to enhance the flexibility and safety of our code. Today we are exploring 4 of these: any, unknown, never, and void. The any type is your escape hatch from TypeScript's type system. It allows a variable to hold a value of any type, offering ultimate flexibility at the cost of type safety. While any is powerful, it defeats the purpose of using TypeScript. Its use should be limited to cases where you truly need to bypass type checking. The unknown type is similar to any, but safer. You can assign any value to an unknown variable, but you can't perform any operations on it without first narrowing down its type. Unknown encourages type checking and is a better alternative to any when you are unsure of a variable's type. Next, we have the never type, which represents values that never occur. It's used in functions that do not return a value because they either throw an error or never finish running. Functions like error, which throw an error and therefore never return, are perfect examples of the never type in action. Lastly, the void type is used in functions that do not return any value. It signifies the absence of a return type. Void is commonly used for functions that perform actions but don't return a value, making your intent clear. Today we've explored any, unknown, never, and void, special types that offer unique benefits and considerations. Understanding how and when to use these types will enhance your TypeScript coding practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can get the complete course on Udemy, where you will find code assignments, quizzes, and more detailed lessons to enhance your TypeScript skills. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your learning to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.